In today's video, I'm talking all about how to find work as a freelance filmmaker. So let's get into it. Hey, what's up? It's Chris from Brooker Films, and I've been very fortunate enough for the past few years to say that I have been a freelance filmmaker 100% full-time. And in today's video, I want to talk you through my process and how I was able to go from part-time to full-time freelance filmmaker. So first of all, for everybody that believes you have to go to school or you have to go to university to become a filmmaker, I studied in school, college, and university, and when I landed my first job on a TV show, I asked the producer, I'm studying for a university degree now and it's consuming all of my time. Where do I put my focus? Do I put my focus into university, or do I put my time into learning and crafting my skill as a filmmaker outside of university and going to shoots? And their answer was, they don't care about education. They care about experience and what you can bring to set. So if there were two people applying for the same filmmaking job, one of them had been through university, done a postgraduate course, had a master's degree in filmmaking, but never been to a single shoot, and the other person had done 10 TV shows but had never done any education whatsoever, you guessed it, they're probably going to choose the person with the experience on the 10 TV shows because they're more likely going to be helpful and be useful on set. So if you haven't studied media or filmmaking in college or university, don't worry, because it makes no difference to you whatsoever. So now that we're all even and we're all playing on the same field, the question is, how do we get the experience to get onto those big shoots? Well, you need to offer your services out for free. This means you want to go out and you want to shoot as many videos, or you want to take as many photos as you physically can, and you want to share these to social media. This means that if you've got friends or family around you, then you want to make videos of them. If there's local businesses in your area, you want to go and speak to them and see if you can make a video for them for free. Try and find out if there's any actors in the area, create some showreels for them. Or if you know any couples that are very close to getting married, it's always worth speaking to them about filming their wedding video for them. Once you've captured all of this content, you want to push this out onto social media and you want to create a website of your portfolio. So this is where you're going to showcase your best work and you want to put together a showreel of all of your highlights. Now, once you've done this, you can start to reach out to more companies and you can start asking for money in return for your services. You're going to want to start off really small, like £50 a video, small. And then the more and more experience that you get and the more that you network and the more that you speak to people, the higher your rate can get and the more you can start charging the hundreds, or if you're lucky enough, you can start charging the thousands per project. Now, of course, all of this is dependent on your work ethic, your ability to network, and your reputation. So let's go into that first one, work ethic. If you're known for having a bad work ethic and you're not putting in 110% into each project, then nobody is going to want to work with you, and that means you're not going to get any jobs. So once you've got a really good work ethic, you need to go out and you need to network. This means that you need to go out and speak to as many people as you physically can that are somewhat connected to the industry, and see if you can go and help them out on shoots, see if you can assist them, see if you can work with them. Basically just exhaust your network and speak to everybody and anybody that you know and try and get as much experience as possible. And then of course the third and the most important part of this whole process is your reputation. If you're known for causing trouble on set, or you turn up late, or you're bad at your job, or you've got a terrible work ethic, then your reputation will follow you. So it's super important for every job that you land to be the best person that you can physically be and impress the whole team around you. It's super important that you keep your reputation golden, because your reputation is what will carry you through your work and will take you from job to job to job. So basically, to sum up, you want to start shooting videos for free, you want to offer your services out for free, and shoot, edit, and share as many videos as you physically can, and try and get your name out there. After years and years of doing this, eventually you'll start to get paid work coming through the door. People will come to you, and before you realize, you're going to be a full-time freelance filmmaker, and you're going to be able to jump away from your 9-to-5 job and focus all of your time and energy into your freelance filmmaking career. It's always super important to look after your reputation, work your absolute hardest, and network like crazy. And that is how you're going to find work as a freelance filmmaker. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please do let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe, push that bell icon, and I will see you tomorrow for another brand new video. See you there.